Hey everyone, doing another cool video today, and this one we're going to talk about mounting a flagpole onto the golf cart, which, you could get away with putting the pole up to one of the armrests on the rear passenger seat and zip tying it. That works. You could do it to either side, so you could have two flags. Of course, one being the American flag, and something else, more beer or something like that. So today I'm going to show you how to mount a flagpole holder to it in the center from the trailer hitch. So right now, when I got the hitch to go on the bottom here, it was from Magix. It comes with a 2-inch hitch tongue. This word has escaped my mind at the moment, and a pin. And I'm going to be using this to mount this guy on here. And this is a standard made in the USA Valley Forge 1-inch flagpole holder that you would normally mount to the side of your house like this. And it's got 4 little holes in it in the corners, so you could mount it to a post or to the wall and then adjust the angle. Well, looking at this, I found out it's 2 inches wide. Or, I'm sorry, yeah, it's about 2.25 inches wide. It's the perfect width of this hitch tongue. And, I mean, it's a perfect width match. The other thing is, too, on this guy, it has the 4 holes, so, if you want to permanently attach it to a hitch, you could drill those out and put 4 bolts or something like that. But I didn't want to do that to this because I actually also use this for, and you can see why it's all scuffed up. I use it for pulling an aerator or a seeder around the yard. Just kind of helps with work around here. But on the side of this holder are these little grooves, or these little pass-throughs on either side. So the idea is, if I put this on here, I could use 2 hose clamps, and these might be a little bit big. I'm kind of making this up as I go, but it can go through, it can go through those grooves and then around this side here and this side here. So let me get this put together and show you guys what it turns out to be. Alright, so honestly that took about 2 minutes to do. So set it on top, went through the one side there, wrapped around this side of the hitch, and then the same thing on the other side here, and it is rock solid. I've already tried to kind of twist and pull on this thing, and I mean, it's solid, and the only reason I'm concerned about it being solid is I will not have an American flag touch the ground. That can't happen. I don't believe that it should ever. So it's important to me, at least, that this is on there rock solid. I can only fit 2 on there. I'd do 4 if I could, but that hole's not big enough. But make sure you get steel hose clamps. If you're going to try to do this exact thing, make sure you get steel ones so you can really wrench down on it. The aluminum ones will strip out very easy, so make sure you get steel. So fits right in there, and then because it's adjustable, back this guy out. Let's see, you could have it straight up, maybe angle it just. Doing this one hand is a little difficult. There we go. Alright, so I will either get smaller hose clamps or just trim these up. I can kind of push them in there. If I can get them to stay, that'd be great. I'm a little hesitant to cut them off because then it's just a really sharp piece of metal hanging out right there. So, yeah. Right now I don't have the flagpole that I'm going to use on this, but that'll be coming soon, and I'll be sure to update you guys on this. But there you go. I mean, it's center mounted. It's uses the hitch so I can quickly take this off. It's adjustable. Personally, I like it in the middle, so that's a big plus. But there's a fun little project if you guys want to do to just put some Americanness on your golf cart, especially with 4th of July coming up. Great way to represent. Well, y'all have a good one.